Now listen. See here, 9x square minus 22x plus 8 is equal to 0 is given.
Yes, sir.
9 8 ja. 9 8 ja what?
9 is 72, sir.
72. You have to find factors for 72. 72. First starting with 2. 2 3 ja 6. 2 6 ja 12. 36 2 ja. And 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 8 ja 16. Again 2. 2 9 ja 18. Again 3. 3 3 ja 9. Then 3 1 ja 3. So you will get what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 72. But here we have what? 22. You should get 22. Okay, let us see. 3 3 ja 9. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. 8 into 9 72. But 8 plus 9 not 22, right?
Yes, sir.
Next 3 3 ja 9 2 ja 18. And 2 2 ja 4. 18 4 ja also 72. 18 4 ja 72. 18 plus 4 22. So we are getting. So we can write this as 9x square minus 18x minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now from these two we can take common 9, and 9 to 18 we can take 9 common, and from these two 1x also common. So this is 9x taking common, one more x is there, minus here x common, 9 common, 2 is there, 9 to 18. Next from these two we can take minus 4 common. Here minus 4 taking common, x is there, and from plus if you take minus common, one more minus is there. Why? Because minus into minus plus. Why? Because minus into minus plus,
Yes, sir.
and 4 2 ja 8 is equal to 0. Now again we can take common x minus 2, that is taking x minus 2 common, remaining here 9x minus 4, here minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we can write this is x minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 product rule we are applying, this equal to 0 or this equal to 0, or 9x minus 4 equal to 0. Now x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2, or 9x is equal to taking minus 4 that side plus 4, then x is equal to 4 by 9. Now first bit, if x belongs to natural numbers, first bit, if x belongs to natural number, since this is not a natural number, that implies the solution set x is equal to only 2 is their answer for x belongs to natural numbers. And second one, what is second one? X belongs to q. X belongs to q, that implies x is equal to the set you will get 2 and this also, that is 2 comma 4 by 9. So this is the answer. Copy this first. Sound the B. Yeah, one more different question. Listen. Solve 3a square x square plus 11abx plus 6b square is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. I told you if a equal to 0, then this total 0, then this will be a linear equation. This is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Now we have to solve this. So we have to find what are the x values. What are the x values we have to find. 1 minute. Right. See, is that a quadratic equation or not? We have in terms of x square is there, x is there. So clearly this is a quadratic equation. Hello.
Sir.
Yeah, clearly this is a quadratic equation. We can do factorization and we can solve, we can find x values. So here see 3, 6, 3 6 ja 18 and 18 factors. One is 3 and 6 and one is 2 9 ja also 18. 2 into 9 also 18 and one more also we can write. 18 1 ja also 18. And is there any factor? See 3 6 ja 2 9 ja 18 1 ja. So these are the factors. Now check. 3 plus 6 is 9, not 11. 3 minus 6 is minus 3, not 11. 2 plus 9 is 11. So we are getting by adding these two factors 11. So I am doing see 3a square x square plus 9abx plus 2abx plus 6b square is equal to 0. See, abx terms we have 11 here. I am writing 9abx terms and 2abx terms. We have total 11 abx terms. Here 9 abx term, here 2 abx terms. Total, if you add these two abx terms, you will get 11 abx terms. So now we can take 3 common. Why? Because 9 we have 3 is there, 3 multiple, na? And a square a is there. We can take a common. B, there is no b common, so we can't take b common. And x square x, we can take x also common. I'm taking one by one. See here 3 we can take 3 common. More 3 is there. And one a is also we can take common. A we can take common. And b we can't take common. And x also we can take common. One x we can take common. By taking 3, 1a, 1x, remaining one more a and 1x is there. A, already 1a common and remaining 1a, and 1x common, remaining 1x, plus already from 9, already 3 common, na? More 3 is there, 3, and a common, x common, remaining b, plus, and from these two what is common term we have to check. 2 6, so we can take 2 common. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 multiple. And a, there is no a, we can't take a common. And b, so yeah, yes, we can take b common, so taking b common. And x, we can't take common x, we can't take x common. Why? Because there is no x. And remaining, after taking 2b common, ax is there, ax, plus here from 6 2 common, na? More 3 is there. Why? Because 2 3 is 6, 3 is there, and one b common, remaining one more b is there, is equal to 0. Finally you should get these through two terms same. See, ax plus 3b, ax plus 3b. Now we can take again ax plus 3b common, and remaining here 3ax, that is 3ax plus 2b is equal to 0. And now zero product rule we have to apply. This is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. We can write ax plus 3b is equal to 0, or, and this is equal to 0, we can write 3ax plus 2b is equal to 0. Now we have to find x values. First, what is addition term we have to take right side, that is ax is equal to minus 3b, and this is also 3ax is equal to minus 2b. Now more, what is the multiple with x we have to take right side, that will be indivisible. So we can write x is equal to minus 3b by a. Why? Because here a is the multiple. And here we can write, that is this total 3a is multiple, taking that side it will be divisible. Then you will get x is equal to minus 2b by 3a. Therefore, solution set x is equal to, you have two solutions. One is minus 3b by a, and one more is minus 2b by 3a. So this is the solution set for this question. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Ask me. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
So instead of numbers, including numbers, we have some unknown constants also. A
Yes, sir.
square, a, b, b square. Okay, that's why this is the process. The process is same, but when we are doing, we should be careful. Right? Copy this. Root 4 into root 4.
4, sir.
Root a into root a.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then you will get easily solution this one also. That what I am writing. See, question solve. Example 7, this is root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. We have to find the solution. I mean, we have to solve this and find what are the values of x. Okay, see here, the quotient here is root 3 and the quotient here 7 root 3. Now multiply, we should multiply now these two. All questions we are doing that only. Root 3 into 7 root 3 is equal to 7 into root 3 into root 3, 3. 7 3 ja 21. And what are the 21 factors? One is 7 3 ja and one is 21 1 ja. But it is enough 7 3 ja. Why? Because 7 plus 3 10. We get already. Now I am writing root 3 x square plus 7x plus 3x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0, we can write. Now from these two we can take what common? Only x common. Why? Because here root 3, here 7, so we can't take anything common. This is x square, this is x, we can take x common. Taking x common, here remaining root 3 and 1x plus taking x common more 7 plus from these two we can take what common? X, there is no x. 7, there is no 7, but here we can take root 3 common. Why? Because this is 3, but 3 we can write root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 again 3. Now I am taking 1 root 3 common. This 1 root 3 common from this term and from this term. That is what? Taking root 3 common, more root 3 is there and x also there, plus 7 is there, is equal to 0. This is very important step. Is there any doubt from this step?
No, sir.
No, na?
No, sir.
Yes, very good. Now we can take these two same common. Root 3x plus 7 taking common, more x is there plus root 3 is there, is equal to 0. Now 0 product rule we can apply for both. Root 3x plus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus root 3 is equal to 0. Now this is taking 7 that side, root 3x is equal to minus 7 or x is equal to minus root 3. This is finished. And here we have to take root 3 that side, it will be divisible. Then x is equal to minus 7 by root 3 or x is equal to minus root 3. Therefore solution set is x is equal to 1 is minus 7 by root 3 and 1 is minus root 3. Copy this. Okay. Hello. Copy this problem